Hello friends, today we will demonstrate you how to submit your outdoor medical bills to BSNL ESS system. So just log into your account through eportal.erp.bsnl.co.in. Just log on after entering the user ID and the password. Here in the box that is available for entering the data. So coming to the home page, this is the home page that is opening, and go to the employee self service, the tab here. So that is called ESS system. So here in the main page, that is overview, this overview tab is opened here, and here the options are available for submitting the claims that comes under the employee claim. So you can go to employee claim button also, or you can come to overview, and this front window is also available. So here this the claim window is available here. So the outdoor medical claim that we want to submit it here, so we'll click here for outdoor medical claim. So this the next window opens here. So here the details that has to be submitted is coming. So this is the new window. If you want to submit for new claim, so it is already selected here and started. Or if you want to see the claim status, then claim status means the claim that you have already submitted. So you click here and then go further. After selecting this one, the claim number here. So and history also you can also see here. So finally this one, let's come to the new claim, as we are having the new claim here for to demonstrate you. So we have selected new claim and then click start. So here the window opens for medical this reimbursement claim for outdoor treatment, and this the claim number is coming as disabled. You cannot change it, and it is all 00 as it has not been saved and created. So it is default number is coming here. Next, the designation that system is taking automatically, you need not fill up, and the salary, that is basic pay, it is coming here, and place of duty is also coming here, that you are posted in. So here name of the patient, and here drop down is available here, because all the peoples who are in your dependent family, and you have given the details, that all the details will be coming in the drop down. So I am submitting for myself, so I'll select myself here. Okay, so going further here, I will enter it. I will fill up the details, and I'll show you how to fill up. So there are these fields. There's consultation details, diagnosis and test, medicine details, appliances details, and this is special treatment like physiotherapy, yoga, and any other claims are available here. So first of all, let's start with this one, as nature of illness. If it is general type of medicine, disease, then general. Otherwise, you selected the chronic if it is chronic. And first of all, that entry you have to make is name of the doctor. So I will enter the name of the doctor as Rahul, Dr. Rahul, and hospital circle code is already selected here. If you want to change it from here, then you can change it from here. Name of the hospital you have to write here. If it is not a hospital, it is clinic, then write the name of the clinic here. So I will write here the name of the hospital, as I have visited the doctor in the hospital. So it is Yatharth Super Specialty Hospitals. Okay, so this field is completed, and now coming to consultation details. So first field is already there, so you need not add it from here. If there are more than 2 consultations, then you will have to click on the plus sign and then go further. So first, as it is first consultation, so first of all, in the description field you can write the name of the doctor, you can write here like consultation with Dr. Rahul. Some description you can write here, and here you can write the details of the voucher, or this one, what the payment you have given to the doctor. So the receipt you must have been received with that. So that detail you have to enter here. For example, I am entering the details as I am having in front of me. So this one, the voucher number I will enter here. So it is 16-17 and CA oblique 82908. Okay, and here I will put up the date, and the date was 21, this one, and 03 and 2017. Okay, and coming to the claimed amount here, it was 400 rupees, so I'll put up 400 only. Okay, now if you want to enter the second consultation details, then you will have to enter, you have to click on this button and then click on, then you have to enter the details there. Actually I don't have the second consultation for this, as I did not go for the second consultation, then therefore I will not enter here. So before going further, I will save it, so that, so some fill all required entry, some error is coming. So here the error is showing as like this. So I'm not sure which format is required. So it is the date. Actually I will select from this this gray graph, and the date actually was 21st March, so it has been selected. Okay, now I understand what was the mistake, as I put up colon in place of this period field. So this error has come up. So this is the thing that you need to take into the consideration. Now I will go for the diagnostic and tests that has been suggested by this doctor. So here I will put up the details. So as I have gone for ECG, so I will enter the ECG here, ECG, and the voucher number I will also put up here, that I have received for the payment against that I have given. So I will enter 16, this one, minus 17 CA, and it was 83601. So this is the field, and the date was another date, it was there. So this is 03 and 2017. So the date, and this claim amount is 200 rupees. And before going further, let me save it. So if there is any error, it will show the error. So I think there is no error, so everything is okay. So this is the second thing that we have entered here. And now we'll come to the medicine details that we have to put up here. So I will enter the medicine details here first, that I'm having. So first of all, this field is there. Actually this one, this 24 medication. Okay, and the voucher number I will enter here, and the voucher number is 131027, and the date is here 24.03.2017, and the claimed amount is very less, it is 70. So I have filled up the 70, and here I will enter the second medicine that I have purchased, second bill, I think second bill I will say. So click on this plus button, and one row will be added here, and in that I will enter the details. Okay, so I will write the medicine here. Okay, it's there, and the voucher number I will enter here. So 132 and 131. Okay, and similarly the date I will enter here, it is 31st.03.2017. Okay, and the claimed amount here was 72 rupees only. so it is 72, and now I will save it. Okay, so it has been saved now. So this is the complete details that I wanted to enter, I need to enter. So I have entered the complete details here, and if any other thing that you need to enter, then you can enter here accordingly. And if you want to put up some comments here, so then you can put up the comments here accordingly. So before going further, let me show you some things, that this amount has automatically been calculated here, and this number has come up, claim number has been taken automatically from the system. So now we'll click on this acceptance condition again, and this, after making this, I will submit it after clicking the submit button here. So I have clicked submit button here, and it is now successful. So now you have to take the printout of this claim from this system, and then you need to submit to the accounts departments after taking all the details or the papers or the vouchers. Along with those you will submit here. So let's come back here from here, and now we'll show you how to take the printout of this claim. So come to overview or go to employee claim here, and you see here that this is a print medical claim is given here. So from here you can take the printout. Okay, so go here, and as it was an outdoor claim, so it is already selected here. Otherwise, if I want to select, then click on the outdoor radio button here and click here to select the claim. So for what you want to take the printout. So this one is the today's date, and this is the claim number, and select this one, and it has been copied here. The complete reference number has been copied here. So just go to the print button here, click on the print button, and it will show the complete PDF form where you can take the printout of your claim. So this is the complete claim has been generated. You just take the printout, sign it, and submit it. Okay, so this is the complete procedure that you need to follow to generate your medical claim for outdoor treatment and for taking your reimbursement. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I would request you to subscribe to this channel, as you will be getting the informational video from ERP Helpdesk Ghaziabad on regular basis.